How to make someone want you again. Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Sermont. I'm your relationship expert. And in this video, I will walk you step by step on making someone, usually your ex, want you back, want you again. And not just come back because they didn't find someone else better. No, come back because they know that they can build something very strong, powerful with you. So this will be very important, guys. If you're watching this video, I know that sometimes you're trying to do things for others. What can I do for him? What can I do for her? I want my ex again. Yes, but the best thing to do it is to start with yourself. So tip number one, I want to make sure that you will focus on your self-confidence. The best way to make someone want you again is when you will be confident with yourself. You will be proud of your behavior, the changes that you have made, your actual life, your goals and dreams. We will come back on the goals and dreams, but let's start with your self-confidence. So if you want someone to see your confidence, if you want someone to see your value, you need to stand upright, you need to smile, and you need to have a good tone of voice. Because if you are not using these three components, you are not in the charisma rule. The charisma rule is, how do you stand? How do you talk? And do you smile? What are your facial expressions? So this is the tip number one. But if you want someone again, they need to see that you have so much value and you're so confident with yourself. Number two, it's all about your energy. I know it sounds crazy. Even if I'm not too spiritual, I can tell you that the law of attraction is really working. We attract what we are. So if you're thinking that you're a good person, if you're thinking that you're smart, if you're thinking that you have positive energy, this is what will come to you. So the positive energy is, do you love your life? If you tell me, but Alex, how can I love my life when I lose the person that I love the most? This is very difficult, but we need, in order for you to reattract your ex, to make someone wants to be with you again, we need to show them some positive energy. So let's just understand that this breakup will be the electroshock that you needed to take control of your life. So yeah, it will be difficult in your love life, but all of the other areas needs to be perfect right now. And this mindset will lead you to be more confident, positive, and to shine. I love this expression, shining, because your ex or the person that you want to be with again wants you to be in this mindset. Do you prefer to go with someone that cries every day or that makes you smile every day? Think about that. Because I understand it's difficult. I'm not, saying that you don't have emotions. I'm not saying that you need to let go of your emotions. I'm just telling you that there is certain emotions that we can transform. And we can feel much better. We can feel much more confident. We can feel happier just because we decided to be in a positive energy. Number three, and this is where I will dive in. Because if you're watching the video, I will assume that you're doing the things on yourself, right? You're doing the no contact, you go to the gym, you're changing the way you dress, you're doing new activities, you talk to your friends again, you set some professional goals. All of this advice that I shared in my videos previously. In this one, I want to explain to you what makes someone come back. Why do you think that your ex will come back? Why do you think that someone that you are attracted wants to be with you again? It's not because they love you. And listen to that, it's not because they love you. It will be because they know that they can be happy with you. And of course, it will be because they project themselves with you. So if you're watching this video, the best way to make someone attracted again is by showing him that the future, the next few days and weeks and years will be amazing. The future will be different. The future will allow them to be happy with you. How do we do that? We talk about our goals. We talk about how we see the future. We talk about what we will do next week. The more you talk about the future, the best this person can project themselves with you. And when they do that, it means that they feel again, not love, excitement, spark, butterflies in the stomach. So the huge mistake that we are doing is focusing on love and feelings when we should really be focusing on attraction. We should be really focusing on just dynamic of seduction also and making sure that we reattract each other. It's not about love. It's not about feelings. It's about, do we enjoy the moment? Do we see that every time we meet, we don't see the time goes on, right? It always goes too fast because we are so great together. And this is something that a lot of people that I've coached, it was difficult in the beginning, but then they realized that it is a game changer. It's a game changer because instead of focusing on feelings and being in a relationship and what should I do for him and what should I do for her and I will lose myself and I'm not good enough. Now you start to know that the future that you're building is re-attracting that person. The future that you're building is giving you the positive energy, the positive mindset that I was talking previously. And the idea that what you do right now is not just to get your ex back. It is to build a new page of your history. And when you think like this, that's why I want you to listen. When you think like this, you're showing to your ex that if they don't come back right now, they will lose you. It's not, I will always be there. I wait for you. Do whatever you want. I stay here. No. I know I've done mistake. I know you want to build an amazing relationship. Look where I'm going. If you don't want to come, be careful because someone else will want to come. Someone else will value my actions. And so that's why your ex come to you. That's why your ex wants to be with you again. Because they realize that the past is over. So when I do my videos, I'm trying to talk to you about situations that I'm seeing in coaching, anticipating your questions also. And I know now that you have this question, but is it really possible for me? Because my ex is stubborn, because we're in a long distance, because we have kids, because whatever. The good news is that human being, we cannot forget about our past. If I tell you to forget about your past, you can't. It's just not possible. So when someone is telling you, I don't love you, because that is the main question that you will have for me. But my ex told me that it was over. He or she is not loving me anymore. The feelings and the love is under the emotions. The first thing is emotions. And the emotions, it could be anger, sadness, maybe you can think that you can be happier with someone else. These emotions, they can go high and low very easily. So if they are low now because they are negative, we can make them go high. But you have to understand something. It's not about the feelings. It's about how do they feel with you right now? Do they feel connected to you? Do they have fun with you? Are they knowing, like learning something with you? Because you're able to express yourself, you're able to talk about your future, you're able to show that you're moving on. And this starts with you and your self-confidence. So one exercise that I will ask you to do is every single morning when you wake up, I love myself, I love my life. I will get the best day of my life. That will be, so I love myself, I love my life, and today will be the best day of my life. Every single day, you will get this energy. Every single day, you will go out there, get your happiness. And you know what's going on here? Your ex will start to understand that you're different. Your ex will start to love you again, be attracted again towards you. Maybe they will test you, but because you have really changed, you don't have to worry. The results will be the same. You will get your ex back. You will make your ex regret losing you. In order for you to do that, you have to understand that it's not about the feelings, it's not about love, it's not about the past. And this is the most difficult part. So if you want some advice that will be tailored and personalized to your situation, just come on withmyexagain.com. There is the coaching page. You can talk to me. I do emergency calls. So if you want to talk to me maybe in the next few hours when you're watching this video, go there, book a private coaching session. And I can guarantee you, I will give you the action plan and I will show you that whatever you want, you will get it. But sometimes it's about reverse psychology and understanding your ex. So that's why I'm so positive, because I know I've helped thousands of people and the next one is you. But before that, make sure that you will smash the like button. Make sure that you will subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can receive all the videos directly in your inbox. If you want to make someone wants to be with you again, focus on the future. Focus on the next step. Focus on the reattraction. And sometimes you think that it's easy. It is not. Because your emotions will make you want to talk about the past, trying to ask your ex for forgiveness. And this is when you kill everything that we are building here today and together. So I don't want you to do the same mistake. That's why you need to subscribe, and that's why you need to follow the podcast. The links are in the description. Enjoy it. Okay, ladies and guys, I will see you very, very soon, but make sure that you stay strong. Bye, guys.